play his shots, Niroshan Dikvella. And that's one of his go-to strokes. Pace on that time. And going down the leg side. So it's an easy option. It's just a help. It's short fun.
There's a lot of arm balls that are bowled.
More runs, another boundary. This is the start the Marvels would have wanted. Dhananjay's mistake of holding on to the pads. Two fielders
inside the 30-yard circle. So, and look at that. It was not the off break. It was a seam-up delivery. He was just pushing it from front of the hand. Something that he's developed. So you did get...
Oh, down. That could be costly. That's a big player that's been put down. And to make matters worse, the ball has gone for 4.
That's Avishka. You need to take these catches, and particularly when it happens to be Alex Hales. We know that he's got a brilliant record and went hard. Well, it flew, but catchable for sure.
Neat, very neat, and fine for 4. How costly will this drop be?
Extremely clever batting. He knew where the third fielder was. It's more in a backward point position, and not a deep third. So he just
used the pace, used the angle, and really
classic.
क्या आप इस तरह के कर्ज के इश्तिहारात को देखा करते हैं तो पहले ये वीडियो देखिए।
ज्यादा से ज्यादा रकम 50,000 है, सूद कम है, आप इसे 12 किस्तों में आहिस्ता आहिस्ता वापस कर सकते हैं।
आइए अब ये देखने के लिए इसकी जांच करते हैं आया ये सच है या नहीं। नीचे दिए गए लिंक पर क्लिक करें, अपना फोन नंबर दर्ज करें और कोटा चेक करें। वाह, 50,000। मैंने 50,000 के लिए दरख्वास्त दी है और सूद कम है और अदायगी 12 किस्तों में तकसीम किया जा सकता है। इसकी तस्दीक की गई है, ये सच और काबिल एतमाद है। अगर आपको पैसे की पूरी ज़रूरत है तो बराए करम कोशिश के लिए और दरख्वास्त देने के लिए लिंक पर क्लिक करें। शुक्रिया।
He goes big, he goes long over middle and all the way. So far, the drop catch has cost 10 and it's only been a couple of balls.
Yeah, the Jaffna Kings are starting to pay for it. And Alex Hales is not going to miss out. Look at the feet, look at the advancement. Used the pace, took that delivery and went over mid-off.
Goes again, here's the appeal. They're very, very confident. He's been given not out, and Niroshan Dikvella wants it reviewed. So the umpire actually has to change his decision and give that out. I think Alex Hales will be breathing a sigh of relief because he was probably run out at the non-strikers end. So that is the most eventful ball. This one he gets. No one will get given an opportunity to catch that one. It's out the ground.
You could have rubbed more salt into the wound. Down the wicket, you get dropped 2 balls to go, and then you come down the wicket and hit it for a 6. Spare a thought for the bowler. What more should he do?
Rajapaksa, the highest score of 46 not out. Goes to show the top 3 has been doing the bulk of the runs. That's 4 runs. Tim Simon getting the placement perfectly. Massive effort by Astra Fernando. But just not good enough.
That's why it's highly imperative that these two feature in a partnership. That was nicely timed. Elegant looking stroke from Tim Seifert. Both the placement right as well. Now Hale.
Shot. Dragged down by Almanzai. Couple of bouncers, goes to the boundary. Tim Seifert, that length, he'll enjoy that any day.
Yeah, the first delivery was too wide and short. He was head through square on the offside, but this time around, put the ball.
And slow delivery. Charita Salanka, massive dive. time, but evades him. Good shot by Team Seifert and brings up the 50 for goal marbles.
And in no time. The first couple of deliveries were too short, and this time around too full. And good footwork allowed him to get into a good position to be able to hit the ball through that.
Shot. And third man in the circle. Aston Fernando does the chasing, but for no avail. Leg by signal, but most importantly, a boundary for goal marbles.
Doing almost 12 and over. And this is a brilliant start. Chase down.
Shot. Couple of bounces, goes to the boundary. Dragged down by Fabian Allen and gets the treatment from Alex Hales.
The first one went towards the left of that deep big wicket fielder, and this time around he made sure it goes towards the right, and both times he managed to score a boundary.
Oh, beautifully bowled, just enough grip off the pitch, and Kusal Mendis does it with ease.
I don't know how many he needed in this over. The last over was of 20, and from first 4 deliveries managed to score 10 and just came out of the crease without any purpose.
Letting the spinners going down. Shot. Extra carfield evaded and goes for a boundary. That's the power that Janit Lienage possesses.
Yeah, every time he has given a bit of air to the ball, he got the surface to respond, but this time around dragged it really short.
Come baby!
It was too easy for Lienage to work the ball into the gap. Again.
Since then, really to talk about, this is a little chip over extra cover. Has it gone all the way? In fact, it's more than a chip. It's a turn. What about that? Where did that come from? It beat everything. Beat Kusal Mendis as well.
Needed a slip in. We're seeing the ball grip. Alex Hales, the ball spun past. There you go, Wanuja Sahan. Beautiful angle.
Now the reverse sweep, and that's a boundary. That's a good response. It's amazing, the hundreds up, it's amazing where batting is at the moment. The repertoires the batters possess, the answers they have for different kinds of deliveries.
That's really brilliant. Simply brilliant.
And what's the response? 6. That's a great response from Janit Lienage. Over mid-wicket.
You could see it come. You could see it come. Lienage with...
Again, over extra cover. Will go away for 4. He's picking his spots.
And it's a partnership that's complementing each other really well. First ball, Seifert just knocks it for 1.
It's been quite well. Uses the feet in the air, clears everything. Another 6.
On foot, that catch made such a big difference. Then Asalanka also put down a sitter. They've been very clumsy in their effort, the like Jaffna Kings. 177 on the board. Very good score. This is high. This is high. Will it be taken? Yes, it is.
Nicely judged. Samsi gets a wicket, but is it too late? Lienage is gone.
Leave it late. Will he look to finish now? Yeah, he goes big. That's the game. That's the way to do it. Hiroshan Dikwala, he celebrates. Goal marbles, they make the finals. Now this is the 3rd time goal have marched into the finals. The first two editions, they got in there but lost to Jaffna. Can they do it this time around?
Deserving Team Seifert finishing things off. A wrist spinner turning back into the right hand.
And went with the turn, and over Midwicket it goes. And like us, Jaffna's King, they still will have another bite at the cherry, which is going to happen day after. But for the moment, it's all Galle Marvels. They won the toss, elected to field first, well led by.
हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम सब भाई